We are having lunch by the waterfall. Some of our vegan chickpea and no tuna sandwiches. But yeah, what a great view we have.